welcome back to my channel. So today is a Stitch Fix unboxing. I switched up the location again. We'll see how this spot works. I'm a little nervous for this box because the stylist asked for dresses. I wanted some longer sleeve, or at least 3/4 quarter sleeves, just for fall and winter time, but the stylist sent me a bunch of short sleeve dresses and they were all the same style and brand of another dress that I already have, so I didn't want a repeat of that same style of dress. So out of the 5 options, I chose only one, and I'm still kind of on the fence about it, but I guess that's the beauty of Stitch Fix, to try some things on. If you don't like it, you can send it back. So let's see what they brought. Okay, so I think this is the one that I picked, and I don't dislike it, but it is very short. I had to double check to see that if it was a shirt or a dress, and it says that it is a dress. So I don't think I'll be keeping it. And then the sleeves, there's like a line here of fabric, and so it's kind of restricting. So I don't like that. I want to be able to move around, and I feel like it would be hard to take on and off. So I think, as much as the color is pretty, the pattern is pretty, I think it's going to be a no. Okay, item number 2, and I looked at my little sheet and I have Megan again for my stylist. So the thing I do like about it is the length of the sleeves. Just could still wear it in fall, could put a cardigan over it in the winter time. Once again, it's kind of short. So I don't know about this one either. I'll have to kind of think about it. I like the color. It's not something that I would pick out for myself, and the pattern is pretty, but I'm not sure about it. So I guess I'll let you know at the end of the video whether or not I keep it. But on to item number 3. Okay, we are doing better with this one. This is a much softer fabric. It's not tight in the arms. It's still the 3/4 sleeve, which I like. Once again, it wouldn't be necessarily a pattern that I would choose for myself, but I think I might keep this one. This one is French Gray Murphy brushed knit dress. So I guess we will look at item number 4. Okay, I love cardigans. My husband said they are granny shawls, but I don't care because they're nice and warm and cozy. And so this is definitely, I wouldn't say I wouldn't get it because I like it, but I guess maybe I don't shop at a store that would have this kind of cardigan. You can see the little confetti in here, so I thought that was fun. This is just a regular tank top from Old Navy, and then I will post a picture of the leggings that I'm wearing because I asked for some black leggings to wear under my dresses They're not anything like fancy design or anything like that, and that's a-okay with me because it's going to be under a dress anyways. But I will find the packing slip here. So the leggings are $34, the cardigan is $48, the red dress that I first tried on, that is $54, but I will tell you now it is a no because it is too short. And then this wrapped dress is $54. I think that's the right one. Tiered dress. Yep. And I'd say this one is a no as well. It's kind of got a weird hemline here. I don't know anything about fashion, but it just sits weird on my body. So that's a no. And then this dress is the Kaylee Thelma knit wrap. Nope, that's not it. The French Gray Murphy Brush knit dress. That is $50. So I'm not 100% sold on that one either. But I think I am going to for sure keep this cardigan and the leggings because those can be used for multiple things. I'll have to see if maybe I can do like a quick fix, which sometimes they'll send you, hey, do you want to get another one in a week? And maybe if I get Megan again or another stylist, they could maybe find me some other dresses because I feel like I have a lot of the basics that I need for the fall and winter, and maybe I can get some ankle boots, which I've never had before, but I thought it would be fun to add to my wardrobe to have some different shoes because I have my Toms that I love and wear all the time, but it would be nice to switch it up a little bit. But that is my October Stitch Fix unboxing. I actually shared my referral code with a good friend of mine and she tried it out, and then I also got a credit to use. We'll have to see if I can use that on this box, but if you are wanting to try out Stitch Fix, you can use my referral code and then it will get sent to your house and you can give it a try, and if you like it, great, and if not, then you can send it back. No harm done. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. I see a lot of you are enjoying these Stitch Fix unboxings. I would love to have more of you around to check out. I have recipe videos, wellness tips, and just kind of sharing a little bit with kids and books and things like that through Usborne Books. So that would be awesome to have more of you around on my channel. But comment below which ones you liked in this box, and I'll see you next time.